Hello.
Tell everyone what you're doing.
Right size? Oh, come on. You. I hate metric stuff.
You hear that, the rest of the world? The United States hates metric stuff.
Well, you guys remember in the last video, 245 had some engine troubles, so today we're gonna get started on pulling the engine out. Got an area cleared out here, so we can at least get it parked and then we'll get working on it.
Yep, Addie and I are all excited to get it moved.
Addie's very excited to get it moved. She's so excited she fell asleep. Well, here goes nothing. Just gotta make it from there to here without any more catastrophes. 30 seconds.
Gonna work. Well, made it. Sounded better.
Dad and Addie are getting all the dust blown out of here. We got the tractor parked and shut down, and I don't think it got any worse. Started pulling side shields out. Get some of this easy stuff off, then we'll get the hood off. The hood, not too bad, just 2 bolts on each side. Lift it right off. Gotta undo some wiring and stuff. But yeah, get to tearing her down. See how it goes.
The hardest part is just getting the hood off. After that, it's pretty easy.
There is a lot to that. But now that we know, after, since we pulled the hood off that one time and I almost broke my arm.
Yep.
Yep.
Yeah.
I learned that you do not take the shocks apart because that's what holds the whole hood up. So my arm got stuck in there. Thought I was gonna break it. But all you gotta do is take off some bolts and that pulls up, and that's all there is to it.
Yeah.
Then it really opens things up. Have to. Still a task. Well, we haven't made much progress today so far. Took a nap. Hung out with the kids. It is Sunday after all, so don't have to be too productive, but gonna get the hood pulled off, got fluids drained out. We ended up skidding it back. You can see the tire marks. Just took the payloader and drug it backwards because where we parked it, we weren't going to be able to get at the engine from the side here. So now we can just pick the engine right out of the side here rather than having to take all the coolers off and pick it out from the front. So that's the plan. Dad's going to grab the skid loader and this handy dandy lift deal that we got that my uncle had. So goes on the forks of the skid loader and got a boom sticking out. Should work, I think. But I need that hood out of the way so we can really get into it. Got the coolant drained out and oil, and took the drive shaft off so we weren't dragging the front tires.
Just keep talking there, TikTok. I'll get the skid loader.
Yeah. Oh! 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 Pick it up. Up. Hip down. Up. Okay, back up. Well, there we are, getting down to business. Yippee. Well, last night, after I got the hood off, we got a few air pipes taken off. Then we had to do our chores and finish up for the night. So, that's all the further we got. But we're gonna get after it this morning here. And a nice little rain shower again right here. My rain gauge says we got an inch overnight. So that's pretty exciting. But I keep on getting these parts tore down. I guess this was a little loose in here. I didn't even have to touch that clamp. That's the inside of the turbo. Feels tight yet. So at least that didn't go. But that's what the inside of a turbo looks like, if you ever wondered. Now it's starting to look like we're taking something apart. Got all the air cleaner and the expansion tank, all that stuff pulled out of here, so that really opens this up. So now get the rest of the air system off and think start keep on going, pulling lines off. Had to take a break and go eat breakfast. Got these side deals pulled off. It also holds the mount in. These engines are just set in here into a cradle. So they'll actually pretty easy to pull out once you get everything stripped down. Just getting there is the problem. So lots of lines to come off yet, and all that stuff. Had to go get the shop baby. A lot of people have a shop cat or a shop dog. We have a shop baby. Ain't that right, Miss Addie? Are you watching Daddy work? Learning how to do all this stuff so you can do it someday? Yeah? You and Whaling gonna take stuff apart? I'm sure you will. But keep working on it. Smiling. Hello.
Tell everyone what you're doing.
Right size? Oh, come on. You. I hate metric stuff.
You hear that, the rest of the world? The United States hates metric stuff. Rude. Anyways, Paul and Mike are working on taking the engine out, or getting stuff ready to take the engine out of the 245.
What's that?
I was saying that you're taking the lines off.
We're taking everything apart.
Getting ready to...
What? Oh yeah, I loosened that one a little bit.
Oh,
We're getting ready to take it out.
because I don't need that.
Man,
So,
You want me to?
what size did I grab?
apparently some people are having difficulties grabbing the correct size for the job.
You want the whole
Anyways,
thing in here?
it's a rainy day here in Wisconsin. It's actually very nice though. It's pretty cool. Pretty chilly out, but yeah, much needed rain. I'm wearing a long sleeve today, it's so chilly. Dogs are in here helping. But yeah,
Oh, yeah. I had the right size. I just too stupid to use it.
so. Yeah. Fun Times by Paul Basil. He just dropped a bolt.
Sue me.
We are.
Yeah, you want the little pipe wrench, so you want to hold that big one in there?
Yeah,
Oh yeah, it's right there for you.
right there for me. Let's see. Okay.
Last thing we gotta pull off the engine here is this fan clutch. Fan and clutch, should say. Everything else
Okay, try that.
is loose. And we finally figured out that it was just left-handed thread on this fan clutch. Because we were pulling on her pretty hard and we weren't getting it to move.
Well, it must have been good and tight.
It was good and tight. It wasn't going anywhere. But, so I called the case dealer and I asked if there was a trick to it, and they said, oh yeah, it's left-handed thread. I go, well, that explains it.
I think it's just about off.
Just about off.
I think so.
Look at that. You can just let her sit ahead there, I think. Or you can pull it out if you can get it out. There we go. Beautiful.
Got it?
Yep. Put it here on our pile of stuff. Don't worry, we know how it goes back together.
Have the tractors on the tape.
Yeah. Sure does look different without all the extra stuff on the engine though. Looks a lot smaller. Everything is, oh, maybe this bar is too small. Yeah, I need a little more leverage than that. But anyway, everything's loose, so.
Yeah, it's hard to believe that's 500 horse, huh?
Yeah. Yeah. That's what we're building it to.
Yep.
Making it a pulling tractor.
Yeah, I think so.
Yeah.
You'll be able to bail faster that way too.
Okay, pick it up. Okay, back out. There we go. Well, next day now. We got the engine out yesterday, as you guys probably saw in the last clip there. But it's going. We took it to town. They're gonna get to work on it. So now we just get to look at this for the next week. We did have one little mishap when we were taking it out. The engine caught the shroud here, so we got all the pieces. We're just gonna have to glue it back together. It's not a bad break, so it'll be easy to glue. But yeah, so that's where we're at with this. I might just spend the next few weeks just sitting in here making engine noises once in a while, just for the hell of it. Wouldn't that be fun?
What?
Just sit where the engine should be and just go.
Pretend you're a pulling tractor?
Yeah, pretend I'm pulling. But anyway, Smacks Tech has been offline. Found out that
4 days.
yeah, we got a little wiring issue, so we're gonna go fix that quick here and then see what else we get into for the day. So nice and sunny today. Dad's hauling manure, getting all piles cleaned up and whatnot. So we got 2 inches of rain yesterday, which is nice, but he's hauling on some really sandy ground, so he'll be fine. But that's what we got going on so far today. So here we are in the corner. I think I've had to fix this before on here, and I still just have not gotten around to fixing it properly. That looks a little better now. Got some blinking lights and stuff. Maybe that'll work. Hopefully. I'm not sure what the red is for. I don't know if it's only supposed to be green, but there. Well, the stall's cleaned up. Then later today, isn't that scraper just awesome?
I know, I can't believe you kept this away from me for how many years.
Well, you could have gone to the hardware store too and got one.
Well, I didn't know they had them.
Oh, where the hell is this wire from? Good thing that didn't get wrapped around a cow's hoof. That'd be painful. But I think at some point today we're gonna replace the mat here. It got ripped out of here and haven't had time to fix it. So we're gonna get that fixed so that all these ladies have another, what is it, 10 stalls or so to lay in. They don't like laying on concrete because that ain't comfortable. But you can see they do like laying in them over here. So get that fixed and be good to go.
Get that and bring it in.
Getting everything cleaned off here. Getting ready to unroll the mat and see what we got. Hand squeegeed this area here. Nate did that. Good job for him. Oh, Granny. We call this Jersey Granny because she's the oldest one of the bunch. She really likes it when you just put her in the old headlock and give her some scratches. I still don't like the Jersey, so don't be fooled by me giving them scratches. Yeah, I'm gonna bring this roll in and get her unrolled. It's already got messed up a little bit, but it'll be fine. Needed a paperweight to keep the mat rolled up, so that's me. Straight ahead. You'll be fine. It'll bend. Tight fit. Woo! It's like a drone shot from up here. Dad's running the hammer drill down through the concrete, and I'm coming behind and pounding these legs in. They look like that. They're actually a masonry screw, I guess what their technical term is. But they go in there like that. And you just pound her home. So keep on doing that all the way across here. Well, we went and got this piece cut, fit in there. There's a couple cracks in it already, but we'll address that once we get it in. We're gonna lay a piece of metal over it and probably put some screws in there and some adhesive maybe, and try to keep it from it'll be fine, I think, as long as the sawdust don't pack in there. So that's what we got going on. It'll be pretty nice when we get this done. Been on the list for a while, so girls should run the tank right over now. Ain't that right, ladies? Get a few more stalls for you to use. You're gonna run the tank over. Here we go, final two. Bada boom, bada bing, we're done.
Yeah, New.
Yeah. I told him the tank's gonna run over now.
Yeah.
You gain 10 stalls, I mean.
Yeah. Now they don't have to lay on cement again for a while.
I don't think anybody was laying on cement. I think they just weren't laying down.
Yep.
There we go. Well, that should do it for this one. So keep on liking and subscribing, and we'll keep putting the videos out. Thanks for watching. See you on the next one.